Millionaires don't chase attention, they design their own pace. And this motorhome is built exactly for that kind of life. From the very first glance, this futuristic light gray motorhome feels less like a vehicle and more like a private residence engineered to move. The exterior is calm, aerodynamic, and intentional. No sharp drama, no unnecessary aggression, just smooth surfaces, black-tinted glass, and a thin line of warm LED light that wraps around the body like a signature. It doesn't ask to be noticed. It assumes you already understand what it is. Underneath that quiet presence sits a refined suspension system designed for long-distance comfort. This motorhome glides rather than rolls, absorbing road imperfections so completely that travel feels uninterrupted. Whether cruising through open highways or entering a city late at night, the ride remains composed, silent, and controlled. Exactly how executive travel should feel. Step inside, and the atmosphere immediately changes. The lounge is the heart of this motorhome, designed as a calm living core rather than a flashy showcase. Light gray surfaces dominate the space, softened by black structural accents and warm golden lighting. Rounded, sculpted sofas curve gently along the walls, creating a natural flow without sharp edges. The seating feels intentional, supportive yet relaxed, encouraging conversation, reading, or simply sitting quietly while the world passes outside the black-tinted windows. At the center of the lounge sits a single table. Nothing more. No clutter, no duplicates. Beneath it, a soft golden glow adds depth without distraction. A simple sunflower vase rests on top, not as decoration, but as a subtle reminder that this space is alive. Everything here feels balanced, controlled, and compact. There is no wasted volume, yet nothing feels tight. Moving deeper inside, the transition toward the private zones feels seamless. The bedroom abandons the typical motorhome look entirely. Instead of standard layouts, this space feels like a personal retreat designed for genuine rest. The bed is realistic and inviting. Proper height, soft gray bedding, black accent cushions, and a layout that respects real sleep habits. It looks like a bed because it is meant to be used every night, not photographed once. The ceiling above is calm and architectural, with layered panels and golden LED lines that gently trace the form of the room. No skylights, no distractions, just controlled lighting that adapts to your mood. Underbed illumination adds a floating effect at night, making the room feel lighter without breaking its calm. Beside the bedroom, the dressing area continues the same design language. Integrated wardrobes sit flush within the walls, finished in light gray with subtle black detailing. Hanging clothes remain partially visible behind tinted glass, turning functionality into visual order. A compact vanity area allows you to prepare quietly, privately, and without interruption. Every surface is used. Every element has a reason. The bathroom is designed as a sealed, private cabin, not an afterthought. Enter through a proper door, and the space immediately feels personal. A compact shower with black-framed glass, a floating vanity, a backlit mirror, and warm golden lighting transform the room into a spa-like environment. Despite its compact footprint, it never feels compromised. This is a bathroom designed to be used daily, comfortably, and without stress. The kitchen continues the theme of quiet efficiency. Built as a compact galley, it features matte black countertops, integrated cabinetry, and a realistic cooking setup. A proper stove, a discreet sink, and thoughtfully placed items on the countertop make it feel lived in rather than staged. Two compact stools form a small dining area, perfect for a private breakfast or a late-night meal after a long drive. Everything is close, reachable, and practical. For moments that demand focus, the motorhome includes a dedicated office space. This is not a gimmick desk or a fold-out tray. It's a proper workspace designed for real productivity. A clean desk surface, subtle golden lighting, storage for essentials, and a chair positioned for long sessions make it ideal for planning, calls, or quiet work while traveling. The space remains visually calm, allowing your attention to stay exactly where it belongs. The front, the cockpit ties everything together. This is a realistic driver environment. No sci-fi panels, no unnecessary complexity. A wide dashboard, physical controls, a digital instrument cluster, and a round leather-wrapped steering wheel make the driving experience intuitive and reassuring. The captain's seats are supportive, finished in light gray leather with black bases, and designed for long hours without fatigue. Ambient lighting keeps the space comfortable during night drives without causing glare. Throughout the entire motorhome, the design philosophy remains consistent. Light gray and black form the foundation. Golden lighting adds warmth without excess. Windows remain dark and private. The ceiling stays solid and controlled. Every zone flows into the next without abrupt changes, reinforcing the feeling that this is one complete environment, not a collection of rooms forced into a vehicle. When it comes to pricing, this motorhome is not positioned for comparison. It exists in a category where ownership is about lifestyle alignment, not budget. This is a machine for millionaires and billionaires who value silence over noise, precision over flash, and comfort over excess. It's not meant to be common. It's meant to be personal, so the question isn't whether you can afford it. The question is, if this motorhome were waiting for you today, where would you go first? If you enjoyed this journey, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more elite motorhome concepts and refined luxury on wheels. This is not a purchase. It's an entry into a lifestyle where movement no longer feels like effort, so the question is simple.